Hi, it's Dee with DSisk Photography, and I want to show you really quick how to use the simple client guide, which will be in the shop soon. When you open it up, it's going to have all these groups for each page. And so you'll have a cover, page 1, page 2, all the way. There's 12 pages, and there's a back and a cover. And like the back looks like that. You just click on the little checkbox next to it to turn on that, or the checkbox meant the eyeball, to turn on the layer so you can see it. You want to click on the arrow here and it drops down so you can see the group as it opens. If you're working in elements, I have a free ungrouping action in my shop. You just click on the group you want to open, run the action, and then it will open up this group. And you'll have to do it on both of these, or on this top group and on the lower groups, to open it all up, to edit everything. And unfortunately it gets a little cluttered into Photoshop, or in Elements. That's why I like Photoshop a little bit better, but that's besides the point. So text drop down, you can edit the name. That's just my name and my information right now on here. And you can change the title. Just double click this T button, and then we'll close that back down. Drop down the graphics, and that is the image mask, which is all the gray boxes that you'll see in the template, and the colored boxes. And so if you want to change them to match your branding more, what you do is, as you see, there's this tiny little square here. Oops, let me see if it will. Alright, I zoomed in for you. So as you see, there's this tiny, on each of these color blocks there's a square, and then there's a tiny little square inside the middle, and that's just indicating this is a shape. And so is the image mask. All of them are that I use. Let me zoom back out. Stop zooming in, thank you. So since it's a shape, all you do is double click on the square, and it's going to pop up a color picker, and that's where you can quickly go and change it. And I'm changing this bottom one right now. So if I was doing a golden color, maybe we'll double click this purple box here. Oops. That's what happens when you double click on the lettering instead of the square. No big deal. Okay. Double click here and we'll make it a gray, which you can't see right now because my image mask is gray. But if I file, in order and put an image in, you want to go to File, Place, and go find an image you would like to use. I'm going to quickly find one of my images from one of my engagement shoots. We'll put this on in real quick, we'll see what it looks like. This is sized to fit the 8x10 soft cover book through Miller's. So you'll need to resize your image. So I just drag it over, click here to maintain my aspect ratio or constrain proportions. If you're in Elements, some of them say that. I'm going to drag it till it fits all the way to the side, and I'm going to pull it down so that they're not covered by that top part. Click the check mark. Alright, and you can hit Control-Alt-G to enable the layer mask to make sure it's perfectly in there, which is also Control-G or Command-G in Elements. So that's what the quick change of colors instead of the original color. And that's how you would use the layer mask very quickly. And then close it down and save. And then I'll make another video to show you how to put the PDF together in Bridge.